Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best drum smoker that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Oklahoma Joe's Bronco. I've used a lot of smokers over the years and this one always stands out as one of my personal favorites. The quality isn't the best, but it's one of the only drum smokers that gives you low and slow plus high heat grilling without compromising at all. This thing is built to do it all. Oklahoma Joe's have thought through the design really well, and it comes with everything you need to smoke, grill, bake, and roast without having to fork out for any extras. Inside, the quality's not bad. The charcoal basket and grates are porcelain coated to last well and handle the high heat. Plus, the included hooks are stainless steel so they're strong, dishwasher safe, and rust resistant. Being the more budget-friendly Oklahoma Joe, I don't expect the barrel itself to last that well. I keep mine out of the rain as much as possible to try to prevent rust. And, although adequate, the parts fit together averagely. In fact, out of the box, I found the air intake pipe leaked grease on my patio. A bit of high-heat silicone to seal it better solved that issue, but the stain is still there. Performance-wise though, you can smoke some great food on this affordable drum. Unlike some models, you can actually adjust the air intake values to set the temperature to exactly where you'd like it. I found temperature regulation easy and reliable. The temperature gauge was a little off but consistent at least. Moving on at number 4, we have the Pit Barrel Cooker Classic. While I'm a big fan of the Oklahoma Joe's Bronco, the Pit Barrel Cooker is without a doubt the best-selling drum smoker on the market, and it has been for years. This thing is pretty much a standard 55-gallon drum that's been cleverly designed to use your altitude above sea level to regulate the air intake and run this dedicated smoker at a fixed low and slow temperature for hours without having to do a thing. It's pretty much like an off-grid, charcoal pellet smoker. It's set and forget and really does make charcoal smoking hands-free. I will mention that the Pit Barrel Cooker runs a little hotter than most people consider low and slow to be. Sitting around about the 275 degrees Fahrenheit mark, I found the results to be very similar to using a lower temperature. It just cooked that much faster. Ribs can be done in about 3 hours instead of the 6 I usually do them in. I've even turned out a pretty decent brisket in about 6.5 to 7 hours. With the meat hanging, you're not meant to get any burning at the bottom, but I do find the lowest rib does get a little dried out and charred. The convectional heat rotating around the meat cooks it impressively evenly though. As for quality, the Pit Barrel Cooker is really good. The enameled steel drum gives you much more durability than your standard drum. I don't like the design of the lid though. Left it the rain, water pools there which does cause rust at the end of the day. So, keep this one out of the weather too. At number 3, we have the Gateway Straight Up 55G drum. This thing is a bit of a mix between the Bronco and the Pit Barrel. You've got 2 standpipes like on the Bronco which, in my opinion, give you better airflow and movement than on the Pit Barrel. There's a built-in temperature gauge, which is very accurate by the way. But, like the Pit Barrel, it's set up to cook hotter and faster than your typical smoked temperature, with a semi-fixed temperature of between 250 to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Check out these 4-hour ribs which are smoked to perfection. Heath walks you through every step of the way so you can do this at home too. Everything about the Gateway is good quality. The drum is painted but can withstand up to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit of heat. The racks are stainless steel. The welds are very good, and you can definitely feel the higher quality to it. The Gateway also comes with caster wheels, which is a nice touch because this drum is heavier than most. I especially love the charcoal basket which has a unique, narrower and taller design with extra vents in the bottom. One full basket will see me through about 14 hours of cooking time, which is longer than both the Bronco and the Pit Barrel. On the negatives, the Gateway drum doesn't come with your hooks for hanging. You can buy a rib kit separately so you can smoke up to 8 racks of ribs at one time, but factor that extra cost in if these are a must-have for you. At number 2, we have the BPS stainless steel drum. Dreaming of making your own drum smoker? This kit from Big Papa's Smokers is my favorite, and the easiest way to guarantee you're getting a good build. You do need to have some tools and skills up your sleeve. It's not as simple as putting a barbecue together out of the box. But it's also not difficult to put together. For a quick look, check out the video below which guides you through the build. Big Papa's give you 2 options, using your own 55-gallon drum, or a stainless one they sell. I would urge you to go for the stainless steel one, simply because it's going to last a lot longer and is definitely food safe. Some drums have been used to store chemicals, and even if it is a food-grade drum, I've burnt them through in under a year of regular use. They're designed for storage, not holding a fire in. Once it's together, you'll have yourself a sweet, old-school looking drum smoker that you can legit say you built. And finally at number 1, we have the Pit Barrel Cooker Junior Package 14-inch drum smoker. The 18.5 classic Pit Barrel is our favorite drum smoker. The Pit Barrel Cooker Company is a veteran-owned U.S. business that has built an excellent reputation in the barbecue community. This smoker often gets compared with the Weber Smoky Mountain. It's got plenty in common, but the rack hanging system really sets it apart. Made from a highly durable 18-gauge stainless steel, the interior is porcelain enamel, for great results every time and easy cleanup. No need to rinse out or wash the interior, simply dump your ash and you're done. The pit barrel is ready to use straight out of the box. Simply attach the handles and you're good to get started smoking, it's that simple. With no complex gauges or controls, just follow the instructions and light up your drum smoker. With plenty of vertical hanging space, you can even smoke up to 8 racks of ribs at a time.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.